Hey guys, my name is Matia, I'm from Canada. Originally I found out about Hair Center of Turkey through Instagram, reached out to them saying I wanted to fix my hairline. Next thing you know, months later, came down, flew to Turkey, Istanbul, arrived at the airport, was picked up by one of their drivers and my boy Dennis. Right away they took me out for lunch. We went and had some authentic kebabs, which was really good. I've never had Turkish cuisine before. And then after that we went and checked into the hotel. The hotel room was incredible, five-star hotel. The amenities were amazing. The breakfast was delicious. And then yeah, next day was day one at the surgery. Went in, had the consultation. The whole staff was very professional. Everyone was very helpful. And yeah, when the procedure started, I didn't feel a single thing. Single thing. We did the sedation to start, felt absolutely nothing. I guess the only uncomfortable thing was sitting for 7 or 8 hours, but at the same time I didn't feel a single thing. Yeah, I'm really happy with the results. You know, I recommend anyone who wants to get their hair done to come to Hair Center of Turkey. Teşekkürler, Hair Center of Turkey.